Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, greetings once again, brothers and sisters, in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selector the First, and all things that's good and great. Seeing, and I want to say enough respect and greetings, blessings to our viewers and subscribers. So viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and help grow the thing. That subscription is only going to be free for a couple of more days. So you don't know, it's today still I'm uncomfortable, but like an incident where reach up on the weekend start where I'm almost embarrassed I myself, you know? Some brethren them invite me in bird night party style. You don't know, a dancehall youth and things like that. Them keep good party, you know? Decent crowd and them go away there. So I'm turn up at the bird night party star and I enjoy the whole thing, the whole atmosphere, and nice, you know? Everybody clean and tidy. Yeah, a long time you know go out still, so you don't know. Yeah, you know? Observe certain thing and appreciate some eyeful, you know me I deal it. You see it. Yeah man, party I go good and nice and everything like that, and you know, I look around and observe the whole thing. I observe says like even though I Britain still, you know, something will become part of the culture, something that was part of the culture even before and I come, I was going out and getting drunk, you know. So you even admire people how them look good and them look a thing there, and very soon after a couple of minutes, you just see them just let go. I mean after a couple of minutes, because them people, I don't know what them people are going to dance and people and I eat all whole day and I just get drunk fast and get really drunk. You see it, but we can't criticize, you know, we can't compare then, because Jamaica where I and I come from, it basically gone worse than that, you know, see, because the white room where we beat people and like say, them type of high volume liquor that them people that drink over here. I mean, the volume of white room where I sell on the street of Jamaica, it's illegal over here. It can't come through the airport. You know, see it, you have to hide that. You know, see it. So still the devastation, the addiction, you know, yeah, it's much stronger. So something we have to concern ourselves about still and look into. You know, see, further to that, me at the dance and you don't know all night, when it come to certain hour, you know, at hours them when a tune start play star, I want to tell you say the biggest song them when me hear move the crowd, shift the crowd in a dance, a Jamaican dance, you know. It's some African song. If I tell you that I love you, yeah. No Gucci, no Prada, no bread. That's me. The biggest song them in the dance, African song, the biggest song them will get the most forward. When I tell you, say, all the soup, man. I beat him pot cover and that's me. I say, oh, where I go on. So anyway, for that matter, because all night, I don't hear no reggae tune. I mean, get them forward. I hear no dancehall song, get them level of forward there. I mean, they are. And, you know, come was just about, not, you know. I don't know, been there a while, I prepare for leave now and thing like that. So, I that hold me back, right back till the morning, you know, come I said, no. Even before that, see, I'm a nearly embarrassed myself now. When I'm on here, the big forward where they went them there. The African tune them I get. And them weird, you know. You see it? I'm on run go down with the selector there, you know. Think I don't know I'm a place still. I'm a people. I'm my thing. You know, see. Run go down with the selector there and to the way we approach the selector like, you know, see the selector there expectantly I wait from me for make my statement. So when I say, you know, see it, looking concerned and things like that. I mean, you with them, I know them, you don't know. Seeing so, him say, me have something for say, they're ready for receive what me have to say. You know, see it, but in my mind, I said, no, man, I have to tell you that. That's why I move off. I have to tell you to say, yo, just some skill bang after this, man, save the crowd and now go move. See, but by me reach down then when I suggest that to him because the last thing crossed my mind before me open my mouth was, but where am I gonna play? Playing just crash with the coke. Brrr. I say. But again, that coming like is a load of shit on a canvas hanging up on a wall, Rasta, in an art gallery. You see it? You see it? I better me just ease myself. So I'm freezing at the moment and nobody say nothing to the selector. I can say the selector. See, the selector come like him read all my mind. You know, the last African song that play. You know, see it? Again, me not and I fight against it, but you don't know the challenge way in a way and thing like that. Me I say, the forward I want to see the African two them get me. I say, me want if them forward so big, me want to see what our big song I go do. I'm think about it. Me I say, plane just crash with the coke. Brrr. Jano. Better me can't suggest that. Me I look around see if nobody there wait for suggest or hope somebody there just suggest it for relieve me at a burn there. Rasta me just walk away still. Me just walk away. Like me never come like me figure out what me come for say. You know see it? Me just walk away and go back whisper me in the Rasta and go and observe the crowd. Cause me I say, what kind of content really come out of Jamaica them day yeah? Because that evening a dancehall then for come say compete or compare classic with anybody else song where them a sing from any genre whatsoever, Rasta. You see, that's the chance I come out in a jerk pan. I mean, never said nothing like this yet. That boy the name Ramesh can yammy, man. Eh? Everything, I mean, if you notice all of film live them, all of film Instagram feed them or something him there and yam. Or somewhere him there eat, and go where them eat like him try to show off for hungry people. How him can yam, how him film. The man come out with that jerk pan with Shanzi a batty cock up in 89 face kind of open the pants over her batty. You know see it? You know see it? I say with that brother everything him just foodie. You know see it? See all that rumor the other day Shanzi walk with them, she must pick up to her last child that Rasta you cannot bring her out so commercial you know that just so cheap. It just look cheap. It just look cheap. Yeah, come out a jerk drum. You know, it no sit well. You know, see it. And Ramesh need to go sit down. Him lose him imagination. Him look like him never have none in the first place anyway. Because money make people think all different way, you know, access all various sort of tools. You know, see it. Because you can't pay a man for think for you. You know, see it. No wonder Shansi a career did just Davis party did there on social media. You know, see, they should move on, you know, and thing like that and go and find something for the hopeful, even though I know for them go-go thing. Cause and to me, Shansi are the classic go-go nowadays. She and waiting him there. You know, see, them just cover them spice though. That's what obsession she just pull up. Shanzi and what's your name there? Them just go. Jada. You see, them just expensive go where you have to buy a ticket for go watch. Cause so them deal with it. And the only thing say them a talk dirty when them a dance, when them a wine in front of you. You see, the other go them now on a mic for do the dirty talk. So the dirty talk obviously for them must cost a bit more cause, you know. Yeah, talk sexually dirty, you know, sexually explicit. They're like, yeah, you know, yeah, that should cost a bit more, I would suspect. So, yeah, you know, but to me, I just some go business. I go on there, so, you know, much different. I don't really see. You know, see. But yeah, when me look Rasta, I say, boy, a skill bang and intense, and them man, they don't want to come up here with another one. And me, I go be the one, I go jump and attack. But yo, play some Jamaican. Me, I say, yo, at least them youth are black. You know, see it. We can't live with it. You know, see it. A black youth, them same way, and them a eat, and at least them our people accept and appreciate the genre so much that them see gratification through entertainment from it. You know, see it, which we adore, we admire that, and we love that. You know, see it. Yeah, cause if our youth them drunk and with overinflated ego, we are tell themselves, say, we for them producer is a youth where them go pick up off of the corner where them used to party. We don't know nothing about music. We don't know nothing about the market. We don't know nothing about distribution or sales or even what I sell, type of tune we sell, what the niche in the market at the moment and things like that. You know, see, them just sing two songs to them and then say, yeah, hot, and send it a road. A man now tell you say, if that not sound good, I can't tell you say that not sound, because him himself not know, say him not literary, you know, him not skillful enough for know say, well then, something else that sound better, that's what, just know say, it rhyme with the last verse. So yeah, road. You know, see it, and you go out there and your whole thing look like a joke to people where I listen for meaning and substance from your tune. Because that music is a message. So when you sing a song, you have access to such resource. You take the time and you sing right. You sing something meaningful, worthwhile. You know, make the sense you jump around and a gallant like a, and I make yourself look like a jackass, like a clown. Brrr. Now understand. It's deep. You know, see, plane just crash with the coke. What that mean, Rasta? Well, what? You see, the man them start explore the high school and the college them Rasta and search for some youth where can write. We have a good writing skill and employ them in the industry and stop being selfish Rasta. Sign them. You know, see it, and make them write for a label or for a recording group or whatever. I saw the thing said. And elevate on yourself and the music by helping others to, you know, see it on the thing. I mean, what? I mean, I man not say Elvis Presley them sing song with people write, you know. Whitney Houston, all of the greats them. And most of the people write them song for them. Most time when them write for them song and bring it to them producer, you don't want that, no, you a John Tam over here, so this sound better for you. Sometimes John Tam write a song when he want to sing, and producer look at him and say, yo, that wouldn't sound good coming out of you. Make Harry Joseph sing it. And Harry Joseph sing it because you're part of the thing. You have to accept and work with it. You're under contract, Rasta. You know, see it? But our selfish, dibby petty ego youth, them don't want to help nobody but themselves. Some crab in a barrel mentality. Inherited crab in a barrel mentality. No doubt. You know, see it? Inherited. And man now go admonish, blame from men of the past. You know, see it? I feel hold some guy responsible for them action. You know, see it? I saw them thing they go Rasta. No justice we say. You know, see it? But this rum culture is like the man them, you know, the man them know when them drunk. Again, you see it, and you see it in a certain sector of the society where you know say it must exist in other areas, not because a man can just up clean or eat him belly full of food and it no show upon him so much say he's an alcoholic, but it becomes part of the culture. You see it. If you go down there and stop on 10 different times on a weekend, it possibly you can get 10 free drink of rum. Now by you're done with 10 free drink of rum, Rasta, what kind of use you have for yourself for the rest of the night? You see it? It has become a rum culture. See? So it diminish the potency and take away the characteristics from, the nuclear characteristics from the music that some guy try. You know, see it? And the people across the world are heartbroken. You know, see it? So them begin to accept every and almost anything coming out of the community that is not from, you know me I say, because when them I hear from the dancehall, Rasta, when them I hear from our dance, when them work it out, them sing it and like it and download it for a bit because it are the high people that talk about it and them real. But when them realize it, when them I hear about, when them I hear when them listen to them song there, brr, I vomit that sound like, is a reference to showing up enough people when them attack in a conversation. You see it? So you just bring back some sick, twisted memory where you use culturally. Keep that a Jamaica type of thing. You see it? You see it? You are the world you are dealing now. Jamaica music is a world music. You see it? Now to come correct and start approach the thing with some intelligence, some professionalism. You cannot show anything. No work, sir. You can't show dirt in a cement and then expect say you're going to get good concrete or see sand and expect say the thing are going to last for no time. You don't know what I do. Just a catchphrase today and full of no belly and go through tomorrow. African song are the artist song in a Jamaican dancehall nowadays. You see, it's a bit, I don't want to sound like me, I be disrespectful to the African genre, Rasta. Even though I know my type of thing that, cause you hear me telling y'all about, no Gucci, no Prada, I take you to Milano. You hear me tell them, me not in that, no, promise the girl that, the girl come run around me, Rasta. See it? Foundation, the grassroots, but see it? No disrespect. But it's an observation, see it? And that's something where needs to be said. See it? I'm in a dance and the artist sang them where I hear for the whole night right back till 5:30 in the morning was some African song, Burna Boy, them and them type of thing there. See it? And a Trinidadian, I say, West Killy Bang and Intense them and Cartel and the whole of them were gone. Where for them song are just like for 1 week. About him seen on the media the other day, Skilly Bang said at 25 copy. I think I want an unbelievable number like that where even me myself scared of even exposing or establishing. See it? See it? It's so embarrassing. It was so embarrassing that I want to say it's alleged. So, cause it's next to impossible for really believe that unless somebody Photoshop something and play with some figures there. See, but yeah, that's the music there. I try trick the drunken youth them down at Jamaica and the money and Jamaica the money there. See, when people hear them little thing there. Now because people, come on, there's a cut-off point when it comes on to certain things. People know when you're a liar, when you're just a gibber. This is not intelligent anymore. This don't mean anything anymore. What them youth you are going with? Brr? What the f? Come on. People don't want to hear that again, man. You see, people would switch off from all the whole music and gone somewhere else. I don't want to hear nobody have vomit on them speaker, man. You don't really want to hear that Rasta. That don't really sound too, see, most people they are dance, them drink something at the time when them listen to tune too, so that not really palatable. See what I say? Yeah, it's disappointing. See it? And disappointing. And this is not a rant nor a complaint. I just put it to know what things is. So that's the item know what time of date is for in the market. Sometimes I them wait for go still and root out somehow, because somehow are just the money in the fact. When you see some money in there again, we take one yourself and gone on ways. Because on a fifth columnist. See it? You know, see, if I tell you that I love you, yeah. No Gucci, no Prada, no. I say, I know. You know, hottest tune them there in a Jamaican dance, you know. You see, one time gone, Jamaican tune was the hottest tune in African dance. You see, but everything have its season. You know, probably just for a while. You know, but I never. It's probably just for a while. I don't know, Rasta. I kind of worried. You see, because the music of what we have, it's the only thing we have in a Rasta. And if the man, them not mind it and treat it right, obviously, like a woman, it's going to leave them. You see? You see it? So much greed and gravelicious in the thing you know. So, you know. No energy no in the content no more. You see it? Man just the one side and hear a donkey a blow off. And just say, that sound good for a song, you know. Brrr! You know, see it? And everybody jump up and say, it bad. You see it? Boy. And I just the one them can remember because I hear one sillier one, you know. One sillier song was Skilly Bank singing, you know, sound like me no know what I do, you know. It sound like him there on the speaker there over there. It's like him a talk to something. Like him burn a spliff. And so one of the little man them in a flowers pot side of him. I try to climb the plant where in the flowers spot. So and him a reason with the man. So it sound so that song sound like to me, I can't remember how it go away name. I really want to remember neither. But again, when I try to point out, say, them thing we not kick out the youth them out of the music. We love them, but we are try to show the youth them so we not understand how diminish the things so and we not see the worth in what we do so that it implies some more effort towards the thing. If you have some competition I go on at school, you say who can write the wickedest lyrics them about physics, who can write the wickedest, and them little thing the rest of. You see, the man them a kid. And I man be disrespectful. I don't want to be disrespectful because of the youth them. The youth them are the future. You see it. And one of the dead we not call it duppy. But still, Rasta. Brr. What the come on, man. Come on, Rasta. You deal with a nuclear source, you know. We don't realize one of that. I be reggae music on the start singing all this dancehall thing coming like a joke. DJ and a reggae DJ and on the start though, you know. But like Ramesh and Corey Todd and them guys, from them guys that come in at the thing. I just bear that. You see, because Corey Todd come in and I talk about and I endorse cake soap thing and thing like that now, black culture. Where him come, him is a plant. Him is a definite plant. Where not there for the benefit of the interest of the music. You know, see, me know that. See, Robbie should film Hungry Belly. Because I never see nobody can name say yet. Every posting where you see I sit them and name. You know, see, the one where him have black man have shoot out black woman head. Ramesh, you know do that. You know come exploit the culture like that by influencing the youth them for the things where you know is the meaning, discriminating to the culture. You know see, now and I never not talk about it from a racial standpoint, you know, because you know we not deal with that at Jamaica as Jamaican. But you and I should always be mindful of these differences, Rasta, and be tolerant with we approach and how we imply certain things across the board, you know, to people out there. You know, see, cause you know me I say, you know, see, and I get tarnished for them type of thing. It's not a good look for a thing, you know, see. Yes, Rasta. You know, see it. So when we see action like them there, we know say some tactics, demoralizing tactics, some discrediting tactics I employ upon our culture. Some people use the art for portray as the stereotype. You see, when you observe some Steven Seagal mark for that thing I go on with the music nowadays and our youth, them Rasta. You see, yeah. You see, so them thing that we have to pay attention to. You see, and even the man them we are boss and the man them out there do them thing. We have to be cautious of them to Rasta because of the season. Feed where the whole of where be a plant and a be a fifth columnist in the music and them type of thing there. So we can't partial no one, you know, by a man who works. You know him, you know. And if a man I go take the mic and say brr, I mean, why else you need for know Rasta? Come on, man. Anyway, share, like, and subscribe. Give thanks to Rastafari.